All right, we have another question here that says find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method, and you're given some numbers here. So we are going to have fun with this question. So we are taking questions one by one. Let's take the very first one that says 729. Okay, so prime factorization of 729. You take the number and see this is odd number, so of course not divisible by 2, so we check divisibility by 3. 7 plus 2 plus 9, which is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, means this number is divisible by 3. So whenever you have to find prime factorization, what you are going to do is you'll first check whether it is divisible by 2. If it is, divide it by 2. If not, then divide it by 3, by 5, by 7. So you have to consider only prime numbers, right? You don't need to consider composite number. I hope you know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime. Why? Because if you factorize these numbers, you will get, see, 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 5 is 5 into 1, 7 is 7 into 1. So how you identify whether a number is prime or not? Simply factorize it. If you can find more than 2 factors, it is not prime. You don't need to consider that number. Okay, since we are talking about prime factorization here. Okay, so we are going to divide this number by 3 since it was divisible by 3. So you divide it by 3, what you get? 3, 3, 2 just 6, 12. So 3, 4 just 12, 3, 3 just 9. Again, divide by 3. So you have to write quotient only, right? Since it is divisible, remainder will be 0. So you need to write only quotient here. So you divide it by 3, and what you get? 3, 8 just 24, 3, 1 just 3. One more time. 3, 2 just 3, 7 just. One more time. 3, 9 j 27. All right, again divisible by 3, 3 3 j, again divisible by 3. So finally you get 1. Okay, so what we can see here is the factors of 729 are 3 multiplied by 3. How many times? There are 6. Okay, so write 6 times. 3, 4, 5, and 6. To find square root, as the name says, you will take pair of 2. How many pair of 2 you have? 2 and 3. So you need to write it like this. Square root of 729 then can be written as, just take 1 out of every pair, take out 1. Okay, so this is 2 into, yes. So what is the square root of 729? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, and you are done.